Hey, crypto family. Hope you guys been doing good today. So today we're going to cover Mongoose coin. It's a meme coin that's taking the crypto world by storm. We're also going to cover another altcoin that's a higher rank that I think has a ton of potential. And we're going to cover ETH and BTC technical analysis and where I think they're going from here. So first, let's go ahead and cover Mongoose coin. So as you see here, our entry that we called in the Discord group was about 5874. And right now it is over doubled that at 1293. Okay, you can see in the Discord here that Mongoose coin, I called it out yesterday. Basically, this chart that I attached, 5882, you can see before it broke out, and now it has broken out. Now, exactly what is Mongoose coin? Well, first, let's go ahead and play this video of this senator here that was on December 8th whenever Congress was talking about crypto.
Now, the number one threat to cryptocurrency is crypto. Bitcoin could be displaced by Ether, which could be displaced by Dodge, which could be displaced by Hamster Coin. And then there's Cobra Coin. And what could Mongoose Coin do to crypto coin?
All right, so that was a pretty funny video. A lot of the stuff in there didn't make a lot of sense. And towards the end, he said, and what could Mongoose coin do to crypto coin? And from there, basically a meme was born, okay? If you go to this guy's Twitter account, he has over 60,000 followers. And you see here that he actually tweeted on December 9th, so one day after the video, Mongoose defeats Cobra, Mongoose defeats hamster-like creature. This tweet is not intended to provide investment advice. Okay, and from then, it has just been soaring. Now, there's also a donation that Mongoose Coin did. It says here, the Mongoose is thinking of every family affected in the Kentucky tornado. Our hearts are with you, so we've made a donation to help with the Western Kentucky Relief Fund. And they donated $5,000. And Rep. Brad Sherman said, I may not agree with everyone in the crypto community, but all of us are united in our concern for the people of Kentucky. And basically, he mentioned the emerging Mongoose community on each aspect of the financial service regulation. So basically, he's saying that, hey, since they donated, that he's basically supporting them. He doesn't support crypto or agree with everything totally, but he does support them. So that's a big thing for him to retweet that. And if you go ahead and look at the Mongoose Coin Twitter, it's at Mongoose Coin ETH, and it almost has 7,000 followers. And one of the big followers is actually Crypto Bitlord, and he has over 180,000 followers, and he's been mentioning Mongoose Coin like crazy, okay? He retweeted something an hour ago, basically saying, still blown away by this, Floki unfolding their marketing budget to ape into Mong. So again, you have Floki actually getting into Mongoose Coin, and you have all these influencers that have actually talked about it. And I mean, you can see just from the history, it has blown up a lot. Okay, now I say with anything, always be careful. Never invest in anything you can't afford to lose. With that said, the market cap is 88 million right now, which means theoretically, based on a lot of these other meme coins, we could see a double, triple, or even a 10x from here if the meme keeps going. It's number 2 ranking on Dex Tools, so number 2 trending there. So it's definitely been near the top for the past week. So definitely that's something to keep in mind. But again, it is having a lot of big buys here. And there's been a lot of 20 ETH, 30 ETH buys. So definitely look at that. Keep that in mind. But right now it's in price discovery. So anyone telling where this could go. But again, a lot of big players been tweeting about this. So if you want to check it out, go ahead and do so. Now, the next coin we're going to talk about is Merit Circle. Okay, this coin is up 18% today to 554. Now, Merit Circle, for those who don't know, their Twitter is at meritcircle_IO. It says Merit Circle is creating a DAO that develops opportunities to earn through play for people who want to help build the metaverse. Okay, a lot of people think 2022 is going to be the year of the metaverse, that coins are going to continue to pump if they're associated with that. I don't think Merit Circle is any different. Now, you do look, they are followed by some big names, such as CryptoDog, Altcoin Psycho, Luke Martin, Crypto Rand, Trader SZ, Rookie XBT, Trader XO, Suzu. I mean, you have a ton of big names following this coin, and there's actually a lot of them tweeting about it just today alone. Really a lot of technical tweets basically outlining this little cup formation here, basically this resistance line at 562, and right now it is flirting with that resistance line. Okay, you do see there was a big crash from that. There's basically a lot of just Binance launch pool sellers, but again, it has been that accumulation phase, and now we are starting to form a new trend. Okay, so you have Pentoshi tweeting about it, 422,000 followers, insane. You have Stacking USD tweeting about it, 87.3 thousand followers. You can see here he actually tweeted 23 minutes ago, MC Fire. So again, and then also on top of that, you also have a couple other big players here. You have Euro Sniper, 67,000 followers. tweeting about his next target is at 829. So again, over a 40% from where it's at now. And then again, you have Chart Simpson tweeting about it, 31,000 followers. He said, MC looks really good here. Imagine selling the bottom, couldn't be me. So you have a lot of big people. Crypto Dude, 49,000 followers. Again, that inverse head and shoulders formation on the 4 hour. So a lot of bullish TA right now coming from a lot of big players. Definitely something to keep in mind. Okay, you can see now we're starting that accumulation and now we are towards the upside again. So another coin to keep an eye on. Again, if you are looking for higher ranking coins, this is a rank 280 with 22 million volume, 23 now. It has been steadily increasing all day. And so that tells you that's a good sign. Basically, there's a lot of liquidity in it right now. You can buy it on Uniswap, Binance, Gate.io, Polynex, etc. So definitely keep this on your radar. Possibly look for a good pullback to buy some more there. Now, next, we're going to talk about some technical analysis for Ethereum. Okay, so blue lines here are my one-day trends. The orange lines, again, are my support and resistance. And then I do have a pink line, which is my 4-hour resistance trend line. So basically, I drew this here. You can see I drew this trend line support, has been flirting with that. It did break this trend line or this horizontal resistance here, and ETH right now is at 4,013. Now 4,000 has been a very psychological level and very tough level for ETH to break over the past couple of days, and has broken that right now, and it looks like it is trying to reclaim this trend line here. Now something I want to focus more on is you can see this 4-hour right here, this 4-hour pink trend line. Okay, you can see it resistance once, twice, 3 times, and now it looks like it wants to break above it. Okay, if ETH can close the 4-hour above this trend line, I will be extremely bullish on it, because then it'll have this trend line support from the daily, and now this trend line support that was previous resistance. Okay, so also if you go on the daily, this RSI here, this RSI is acting as resistance. So if it can break this, which it looks like it's trying to, that'll be extremely bullish. It was acting as resistance since November 8th. So again, over a month, almost a month and a half. So that's definitely something I'm keeping an eye on and something I'm watching very closely. Now, if ETH can't break this, looking at support at 39.12, possibly a bounce from there. And then if we go lower, looking at 3,600. But next resistance I'm looking at is going to be around that 41.30 level, and then 43.60 from there. Next, going to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right here on the daily, I do some trend lines, and this one is a little more prevalent here. Basically, if Bitcoin can break this 48,800 level, that'll be extremely bullish on Bitcoin. And then breaking this 53,300, which you can see previously, multiple support, turn resistance lines now. And then you can see this big trend line here I drew from August 4th all the way over here, exactly where that wick bounced from. That is a support I'm looking at, as well as this horizontal or this trend line support as well. And so definitely looking at some support levels below Bitcoin at 46,600, and then around that 45,000 from there. So has some good support levels if it can keep that, but definitely once it breaks this 48.8 level, I'm definitely turning very bullish on Bitcoin from there. And then we'll see where we go from there. But again, a lot of things are pumping right now, so use this to your advantage. Grab some altcoins you've been looking at. Definitely think it could be a turnaround very soon if it hasn't started already. So with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please comment if you have any questions. Again, if you enjoy my Discord, I do have the links pinned in the description and in the comments as well. So with that, until next time, thanks for watching.